Mama Yassi, come here. Papa's on TV.
Hello everybody and welcome. Are you ready? Let's start. Jump. Jumping. I am jumping. Can Papa Gigs jump? Wow, good jumping. Jumping. Now you jump. Ready, go, jump. Nice jump. Spin. Spinning. I am spinning. Can Papa Gigs spin? Wow, nice spinning. Spinning. Now you spin. Ready? Go spin. Nice spin. March. Marching. I am marching. Can Papa Gigs march? Wow, good marching. Marching. Now you march. Ready, go. March. Great job. Stomp. Stomping. I am stomping. Can Papa Gigs stomp? Wow, good stomping. Stomping. Now you stomp. Ready? Go! Stomp! Well done. Nice stomp. Dance. Dancing. I am dancing. Can Papa Gigs dance? Wow, great dancing. Dancing. Now you dance. Ready, go. Dance. Great job dancing. Let's play the freeze game. When the music stops, you freeze. Let's dance. Freeze. Nice freezing. Let's march. Freeze. Nice freezing. Let's spin. Freeze. Nice freezing. Well played. Run. Running. I am running. Can Papa Gigs run? Wow, good running. Running. Now you run. Ready? Go! Run! Good job. Nice running. Stretch. Stretching. I am stretching. Can Papa Gigs stretch? Wow, nice stretching. Stretching. Now you stretch. Ready? Go! Stretch! Nice stretching. Clap. Clapping. I am clapping. Can Papa Gigs clap? Wow, great clapping. Clapping. Now you clap. Ready, go. Clap. Nice clapping. Touch. Touching. touching my nose. Can Papa Gigs touch his nose? Oh, well done! Touching. Now touch your nose. Ready, go! Touch. Well done! Wave. Waving. I am waving. Can Papa Gigs wave? Wow, great waving! Waving. Now you wave. Ready, go, wave! Great waving! Let's play the freeze game. When the music stops, you freeze. Let's run. Freeze. Nice freezing. Let's clap. Freeze. Nice freezing. Let's wave. Freeze. Nice freezing. Well played. Great job! You learned 10 English verbs. In the next lesson, we'll learn fun describing words like big, small, happy, and sad. See you in lesson 3.